Welcome guys, in this video we will learn how to answer a cue card in a very simple way, and this video is brought to you by IELTS Jaunty. Simple technique in IELTS speaking part 2, that is your cue card. There are two ways. First, define and classify the keyword. We will cover what is keyword in the next slide. Second, explain the bullet points or make a story. Here is an example of a cue card. Describe a short-term job you would like to do in a foreign country. So here the keyword is short-term job. Define and classify the word job. For example, job is a particular piece of work that people do regularly to earn money. It is broadly classified into two categories: full-time employment, part-time job. If you are successful in defining and classifying the keyword, then you are able to spend 15 to 20 seconds initially, followed by explaining the bullet points and making a story. Now listen to the sample answer of this cue card and learn how to implement these techniques. So here is the sample of this cue card.
Job is very important in anybody's life to earn for one's livelihood, and job can be classified into two forms, that is part-time and a full-time. Part-time jobs or the short-term jobs are normally done by any of the individuals just on the basis of a few hours work, and whereas the full-time jobs are the jobs in which the persons can go for normally 8 hours shift or more than that. So here I would love to mention about the job which I recently want to go. If I go to the foreign country and want to do it, is obviously to work for the music organizations there, because as I did or pursued my higher education in the field of music, so I'm very well trained in classical, semi-classical and light music. So I would love to go for the teaching towards the youngsters in order to tell them about the basics of music stream. So the name of the company is, as I already mentioned, it's one of the renowned music organizations in Toronto. So would definitely would love to work for them. And the duties, the job hours they have given me is 4 hours a day. So I would love to go for 4 hours to provide the basic education. I would right start with uh, teaching the basics and some fundamental skills about learning vocals and about learning some instrumental music skills. So the definitely the benefit of doing any kind of job is simply to earn our livelihood, or is to earn money and to live with our expenses. So with the help of doing any kind of jobs, we are able to become independent by earning and spending of our own without any restrictions, whereas certain people who are not dependent, who are not independent in their life, so in that case they have to seek for money either to their elders or to some other their friends or anybody else. So in that case jobs has numerous advantages for anybody to accomplish the better goals in life. So exactly the foreign experience will add not only to my resume but to anybody else's resume, because uh, in the foreign countries the opportunities of doing certain kind of jobs are more if we compare it to the our native country, that's India.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of your cue card. Guys, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel IELTS Jaunty.